a 2023 Dodge Charger Daytona coming into Gexhaust Davie location for a mid muffler delete. You can see Berto right there laying them beads, them butter beads, you know the vibe. Berto, one of our best fabricators and welders here at Gexhaust. So let's talk about the car. This is a Daytona, not a Scat Pack, not a Hellcat, but it still has a V8 coming in that nice pine green color. We still have the stock hats on there. We can't touch that, you know, EPA rules and regulations. And it still has the stock X pipe as well too. You could always come and upgrade that or get a full catback system. We're doing the mid muffler delete right there, and I'm looking for the valves. There they are. He still has the stock valves on there too. Later down the line, eventually all these Chargers, their valves go bad, so he's gonna have to replace those valves or just get them cut out and put valve simulators. And in the rear, we still have the stock mufflers and the stock tips. He could always go inside the shop and upgrade those tips for 5-inch tips. We have the largest selection of tips at Gexhaust and Gexhaust.com for Chargers, Challengers, all types of cars. Dodge Charger Daytona is all set, looking clean, looking very sleeper. We didn't touch the tips, we just adjust them a little bit because a lot of the times these cars coming from factory, the tips are all like crooked and sideways for some reason. We just made them straight, did that mid muffler delete. Listen to this idle. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Later he can, upgrade the exhaust, get a full catback system, or get an air intake as well. It's all available at Gexhaust.com. Or he could go to one of our locations, the Davie location or Oakland location, pull up, talk to me, G, Justin. Guys, remember to hit the links in the description, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.